Today starts like a normal trip. You arrive at the airport. You feel ready, but then something unexpected happens. At airport security, even a small mistake can become a problem. In this story, you will learn how to stay calm and speak English in a real situation. Listen slowly, understand naturally, and improve step by step. Let's begin.
We finally arrived at the airport, and I have to admit that I feel a little nervous because security checks always make me uncomfortable.
I understand how you feel because there are many rules, and sometimes it's easy to forget something small that can become a problem.
Yes, exactly, and I always worry that I might have something in my bag that I forgot about.
Don't worry too much because we prepared everything carefully at home and we checked our bags before leaving.
That's true, but I still feel like I should check everything again just to be completely sure.
That's actually a very good idea because it's always better to double check than to face a problem later.
Yes, especially in a place like this where everything is controlled and organized very strictly.
Exactly, and if we stay calm and follow the instructions, everything should go smoothly.
I just want to pass through security without any delays so we can relax before the flight.
We will just take it step by step and everything will be fine.
Okay, that makes me feel a little better.
Hello. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please, so I can verify your documents before you proceed?
Yes, of course. Here are our passports and boarding passes. We prepared them in advance to save time.
We arrived a bit early because we didn't want to feel rushed before the flight.
That is a very good decision, because arriving early usually makes the process much easier.
Yes, we prefer to stay relaxed instead of worrying about time.
Let me quickly check your information to make sure everything is correct.
Of course, please take your time. We understand that this is an important step.
Everything looks fine. Your documents are valid, and you can proceed to the security check.
Thank you very much. We appreciate your help.
Yes, thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Please follow the signs to the next area.
All right, let's continue.
The line looks quite long, but at least it is moving slowly and steadily, so we should be fine.
Yes, I was expecting something like this because airports are always busy, especially at this time of day.
While we are waiting, we can use this time to prepare our items so we don't feel rushed when it's our turn.
That's a great idea because I always feel stressed when I have to do everything quickly.
Let's take things out step by step so everything is ready.
I will start by checking my bag again to make sure there are no restricted items.
Good idea because sometimes small things like liquids can cause problems.
Yes, I remember last time I forgot a bottle and it delayed everything.
That's exactly why it's better to prepare in advance.
I also want to make sure my laptop is easy to take out.
Yes, because they usually ask you to place it separately.
Okay, I think everything is ready now and I feel a bit more confident.
That's good because being prepared makes the whole process much easier.
Yes, I can already feel less stress than before.
Okay, we are getting closer to the security check, so I think we should prepare everything now to avoid any stress.
Yes, I agree, because last time I remember feeling rushed and I didn't know where to put my things.
Exactly. And when you feel rushed, you are more likely to forget something important.
Let me start by taking my laptop out of my bag because I know they always ask for that.
Yes, and don't forget your phone wallet and anything in your pockets.
Oh, right, I almost forgot about my keys. I will put them in the tray as well.
Good, and make sure your bag is easy to open in case they need to check it.
I think everything is ready now, but I still feel a little nervous.
That's normal, but you are prepared, and that makes a big difference.
Yes, I just want everything to go smoothly without any problems.
It will just follow the instructions and stay calm.
Please walk through the scanner slowly and follow the instructions.
Okay, I will go now and try to stay relaxed.
Don't worry, just walk normally, everything will be fine.
Alright, here I go.
Please raise your arms slightly and stand still for a moment.
Okay, I understand.
You're doing great, just a few more seconds.
Thank you. You can step forward now.
That wasn't as stressful as I expected.
Yes, sometimes we worry too much before it actually happens.
That's true, I feel a bit more relaxed now.
Good, now let's wait for our bags.
Excuse me. We need to stop your bag for an additional check because something unusual appeared on the screen.
Oh, really? I didn't expect that. I thought everything was fine.
Maybe it's just something small that we forgot.
Yes, I hope it's not a serious problem because we tried to follow all the rules.
Please remain calm. This is a normal procedure, and we just need to verify the contents.
Of course we understand, and we will cooperate.
I'm trying to remember if there is anything in my bag that could cause this.
Did you check all the liquids before we left?
I thought I did, but now I'm not completely sure.
We will open the bag and take a closer look to identify the issue.
Okay, we are ready.
I just hope it's something simple.
Sir, could you please step closer and open your bag so we can take a closer look at the contents?
Yes, of course I understand. I will open it right now and show you everything inside.
Let's stay calm. It's probably something simple that we forgot about.
Yes, I hope so because I tried to follow all the rules before coming here.
Thank you for your cooperation. This is a standard procedure, and we just need to verify one item.
I understand. I just feel a little nervous because I don't know what caused the issue.
That's normal, but you are handling it well.
Okay, the bag is open. You can see everything inside.
Thank you. Let me check carefully and identify what triggered the alert.
I'm also trying to remember if we packed anything unusual.
I thought I checked everything, but maybe I missed something.
Officer, I believe this item is the reason for the additional check because it does not meet the airport security regulations.
Alex, oh, I see the bottle now, and I realize that I completely forgot it was inside my bag.
Emma. Yes, that looks like a liquid. And I remember there are strict limits for liquids in carry-on bags.
Officer, that is correct. Liquids over a certain size are not allowed and must be removed.
Alex, I understand now, and I'm sorry for the mistake. I didn't intend to break any rules.
Emma, it was an honest mistake and we appreciate you explaining it to us.
Officer, no problem. This happens quite often, and we just need to resolve it properly.
Alex, thank you for your understanding. I will follow your instructions.
Emma, yes, we will cooperate fully.
The solution is simple. You will need to remove this item from your bag before we can continue.
Yes, of course I will take it out right now and place it aside.
It's okay. It's better to fix the problem now than to delay everything.
Yes, you're right. I'm just glad it's not something more serious.
Once you remove it, we will send your bag through the scanner again.
Okay, the bottle is removed and the bag is ready for another check.
I feel much more relaxed now because we understand the problem.
Me too, I was worried at first, but now everything makes sense.
Thank you for your cooperation. Please place your bag back on the conveyor.
Yes, I will do that now.
Hopefully everything will go smoothly this time.
I think it will.
Please place your bag back on the conveyor belt so we can scan it again after removing the restricted item.
Yes, of course I will do that right now, and I hope everything will be fine this time.
I'm sure it will be fine because now we understand what the issue was.
Yes, I feel much more confident now compared to a few minutes ago.
Thank you for your cooperation and for following the instructions carefully.
Thank you for your patience and for explaining everything clearly.
Yes, we really appreciate your help because it made the situation less stressful.
The bag is going through the scanner now, so please wait for a moment.
I'm watching the screen and I hope there will be no more problems.
Everything should be okay now because we removed the only issue.
All right, everything looks good. Now you can proceed.
That's great news. Thank you very much.
I feel so much better now because that situation was a little stressful.
Yes, I agree. At first I was really worried, but now I feel completely relaxed.
You handled it very well because you stayed calm and polite the whole time.
Thank you. I was nervous, but I tried to focus and listen carefully.
That's exactly what helped because you didn't panic.
Yes, and I also learned that small mistakes can happen, but they can be fixed.
That's true, and the important thing is to stay calm and cooperate.
I think next time I will double check my bag more carefully before leaving.
Me too, because now we understand the rules better.
I'm just happy that everything is resolved and we can continue our trip.
Yes, now we can finally relax and enjoy the journey.
Today was a good experience, even though it started with a little stress.
Yes, because we learned something important from this situation.
I learned that preparation is very important, especially when traveling.
And I learned that staying calm can help solve problems much faster.
Yes, because when you stay calm, you can think clearly and communicate better.
Exactly, and communication is the key in situations like this.
I also feel more confident now about traveling and handling similar situations.
That's great because every experience helps us improve.
Next time, we will be even more prepared and relaxed.
Yes, and we will enjoy the journey even more.
I'm looking forward to the rest of the trip.
Me too.